Never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait, but it's more difficult to regret. No one was born perfect and educated. We all learn from our mistakes. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you can't get more time. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Be silent, often your silence will protect you. May your next tears be tears of joy. Did you know no one can destroy iron, but its own rust can? Likewise, no one can destroy a person, but his own mindset